Hello, this is Mohammad Alal from HK Studios. So today our topic is about how to install a virtual machine on the Windows. It is actually the first educational video that I am making for my YouTube channel. So today topic is very simple and it is very easy to install it. But I will show you how to download and install it. So you have new use is easy to install it. Is a software virtual machine. I have chosen the virtual box, the Oracle virtual box VM virtual machine, because it is fully free and there is no paid version of it, so all the features are free for us and we can use it for different purposes like installing a Linux or BSD or anything, or Mac. Even we can install Mac on the Windows if you have the Mac operating system. So we will go with Oracle. We have go with the Oracle virtual. So when you search on this, open the first link that comes in the Google or Bing or any searching engine you are using. So you will see the download button, big one. Just click it and go. This is the downloading where you can download the virtual box from the website. I will put down this link in the description. So first, when you have to download, you have to choose the window host, because I'm using the Windows. If you are using the Linux as the primary operating system and you want to use the Windows on the Linux operating system, you can use the Linux version, or you can use the Mac one also. It is also Solaris version. Down here it is the extension pack. I will make in another video that what is the extension pack and why we can use it. And this is a software developer kit. If you want to develop a software, it will provide you different features with different extension packs. So all the down come either here. We can have the source code, but we have no use with it, so we simply go with this button, window host. Just click on it and it will start downloading the virtual box. As I have already downloaded the virtual machine, virtual box, so I will cancel it and just go to my files and ready to install it. So this is the extension pack. You see this green box, but I will not install it now. Later I will upload another video of this. Just click on virtual box. This will appear to you. Click on next button. So if you want to use or install the virtual machine like on USB or another hard drive or something, you can change the location from here, like browse and go to this and you can choose the location from here. But as for me, I will install it in C. So click on next. So this is create a starter menu interface, create a shortcut on desktop, create a shortcut in quick launch bar. You can just check and use, So what is the warning is? The warning is that it will reset the network interference just for few seconds and then will it start it. So just click on yes and click on install. So we will go with installation. As you can see that this is installing. So the virtual machine is already installed. Check on this that after installation the virtual machine is open. So click on finish button. So now as you can see that this is the Oracle virtual machine virtual box manager. Here you can install or can take multiple operating systems at a time. Like you can run even Windows 10, like this is my Windows 10 primary. You can run Windows 8 on the virtual box and continuously with another Windows 7 version and with Windows XP. You can even run Windows 10, Windows 7 and Linux at the same time. What you need is based on yours. So it is up my file. So I will simply go to you can add or machine with new button. Here is also a new button, so I will go in new. So this is the box is appear. I will give the name, like what kind of name you want to give for this virtual machine. It is actually creating a virtual machine, so I will give a machine as virtual computer. This is the machine folder where the machine will create it. The C users HK Studio virtual box MS. So the type you have to choose is what one you want to install: Microsoft, Windows, Linux, or BSD, IBM, Mac OS, or it is in another operating system. So I will install with, sorry, it's a call. So I will install Microsoft Windows because I have. So actually you have to choose now what to do. Sorry for a moment, it's actually a call for me. So the recommended memory size here I will choose is 2 GB, 2048 MB, but you can raise it, like you can even decrease it to 1. If you have a less memory, you can go and go with 1 GB, or if you have a higher RAM or you want better performance, you can even go with the 6 GB or something like this. But 2 GB is okay for me because 2 GB is allowed for operating system. So click on next. Where it is given now is that the recommended size of hard disk is 32 GB. The virtual machine required the 32 GB space to install a window. Later you can create a virtual hard disk for the capturize the most of the disk part, but I will choose now is a 32 GB. Create a virtual hard disk now. If you have a virtual disk file already, you can choose it from here. I mean, you earlier install it Windows or something like that, you can here you can select it and you will. So I will go with create a virtual hard disk now. So click on create button. So what kind of virtual hard disk you want? So if you, it is virtual box disk image is just fine for you. I mean, on the educational level this is fine. If you still want virtual hard disk or something, but I will go with VDI virtual disk image. Next, it is dynamically mean the file you physically hard disk is fill up, and mean it will not shrink when the space is gone. But if the fixed size is chosen, it will maybe allowed faster, but because the fixed size is known by the virtual machine. So go on fixed size. Now I will choose how much space I will use to create a virtual hard disk. So I will create now, and it will creating the virtual machine. Actually I choose the fixed choice, that's why it requires a little bit time. If you use the dynamically allocated option, it will just in a seconds, but I have choose the fixed size to make the operating system faster. I mean, the things of where I run on the operating system, the virtual operating system will be faster. So we will wait. I will skip this time. As you can see, the location is created. I mean, this is now the settings of our virtual machine. This is the system I created it now. Actually the Windows 7 64-bit. You can see the operating system name virtual that I have given him, computer, the memory I have assigned to him, the RAM it is the floppy optical hard disk. Acceleration was VTX AMD Hyper-V. The video memory was 27 MB VBox, which is given by the software by itself. The hard disk that I have given to him 32 GB. Audio was from the basic that I have input in my PC. So now I will set up and click start button. So on start button, when I click, it actually starting the virtual computer. I mean running in another computer on the running computer, just like it is now running. I mean starting the PC. So as I choose is inside that select the startup disk. So startup disk is already created as he automatically detected that I have given to him 32 GB. So I just click on start, and the machine is now starting. So as you can see that the machine is started. And here this is the notification that it will when you click on this, you will be I mean the keyboard and mouse will be on this virtual machine. So this is saying that this is no bodyable medium font system. I mean there is no windows in this. So but the machine is created and it's successfully running. As you can see, this is running. Now how to install a Windows on this, I have another video. I have already given the description, and in the end there will be appear. So please be sure to watch it, and it will really help you. Thank you for watching our video. Again, this is Mohammad Ilal from HK Studio. A hit to the subscribe button would be the love of you for me. Thank you. Tata.